Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today's project is a very simple flower with a quick and easy pattern. You can use this flower to decorate your clothes, your coasters or your table mats and so on. As you see, I made different sizes by using different yarn weights and different hook sizes. You will find materials list and the crochet abbreviations in the description box. Before we get started, if you like the tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Let's start by tying a slip knot. Chain 6. Insert your hook into the starting chain. Then make a slip stitch. Insert your hook into this ring and make a single crochet. Then chain 2. After that, make 3 treble crochet. To finish this petal, make chain 2 and single crochet. To make the second petal, chain 2, 3 treble crochet, chain 2, single crochet. Repeat this pattern for more 3 times. To make the third petal, chain 2, 3 treble crochet, chain 2, single crochet. The fourth petal, chain 2, 3 treble crochet, chain 2, single crochet. The fifth petal, chain 2, 3 treble crochets, chain 2, and now you will insert your hook here into the first single crochet here and make a slip stitch. Thanks for watching, and if you like the tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment because this will help the channel to grow. Thank you.